In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send test email in Brevo. Sending a test email is one of the best ways to confirm that your design, links, and layout look correct before you send a campaign to your full list. It also helps you catch small issues like a missing image or an unexpected line break while it is still easy to fix. First, log into your Brevo account and go to the marketing section. From there, open campaigns, then choose email. This is where you will find your email campaigns, including any drafts you are still working on. Next, locate the draft campaign you want to test. When you see the correct draft, click Edit. This opens the campaign settings so you can continue working on it and access the editor. Now, click Design Email. This takes you into the email design area where you can view the message content and formatting. Take a moment to let everything load fully, especially if your email includes images or multiple sections. Once you are in the designer, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Preview and Test. This menu is where Brevo provides tools to review how your email will appear and to send yourself a test message. In the options that appear, select Send a Test Email. You will see a field where you can enter an email address for the recipient of the test. Type the email address of the person who should receive the test, such as a colleague or your client. Use an address you can access, so you can open the message and review it carefully. After you enter the email address, click Send Test. Brevo will generate a test version of your campaign and send it to that inbox. When the email arrives, open it and check the subject line, the layout, images, and any buttons or links. If something looks off, return to the editor, adjust the design, and send another test until it looks right. And that is all there is to it.